Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about another important feature we have in CapCut, which is FX. So, in your video, if you want to add some special effects, you can do it with the help of CapCut tool. So when you click on FX here, you have all these effects. So let me click on butterfly. So, so this is the special effect. You see butterflies are flying in the air. So if you like this butterfly effect, all you need to do is click on it and download. So I'm going to drag it and I'm going to put it at the beginning. Okay, I'm going to put it at the beginning. Now let me play and see. Hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video that, if you see now, these butterflies are flying in the background? Hi, I am Naresh. Have you ever made a video? So there are so many special effects like this. You can choose one or two depending upon your video, depending upon your project, depending upon your story. If it matches your story, you can use this special effects. Please don't use it too much. If you use too much, then it will affect the reality of the video, the authenticity or the naturality of the video. At any point in time, if you don't want effect, you can right click on it and you can delete it, and it is going to delete that particular effect. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.